Cabanga ngoba manje uthola i-unemployment. Lapho sona 60 still don't work, mara still uthola something.
Yeah, like okay, this goes back to my question. What do you think is the difference between like a full-time job and a part-time job?
The difference is full-time job. Come on, okay, but I want to put it in good context.
Yeah, in context.
A full-time job has more benefits than a part-time job. Right? So, like, for example,
it's more consistent also. It's more reliant.
Yeah, for example, we show like on a full-time job, you get maybe like medical, what benefits, house, what benefits, car allowances and shit. Good temporary, you're just gonna get your cash in fine. No UIF, no nothing. I understand. No tax, no nothing. And this maybe so that stuff for like 6 months and shit. And so they say full-time job forever and ever. I mean, when I'm 17.
Yeah, but then that's the thing. If it means actually full-time.
But you signed the contract, it's permanent, it's the post. So it was just when basically you're the one gonna fuck up
yourself.
So let's say you contract it permanent, and then let's say the business somehow what's gonna happen?
Retrenchment. It's different. Yeah, now it's different. Retrenchment. Yeah.
And then what happened to that permanent thing?
Mfana, angisho manje lapha nje ama clauses lawa lapha ku contracts I explain as such our incidents. If it happens, like when COVID, it's all a strike and people will lost their jobs.
And it's only the recent ones who lost their jobs.
Yeah.
I 10 years. Best believe.
So like people lost their jobs and stuff. So I think like there are certain clauses now about contract show in an event it's all another maybe sickness or whatever happens and the manje it's a national thing. It's a national crisis. It's all COVID. It happens it's all the companies over and so more sign that is this understand? Okay, first man who got this also decide to sham a flat gun. It's no longer permanent.
Yeah, like for me nothing bonangati permanent job ne. It sounded like ngati scam jo.
How's this?
Like ngati umuntu yafika lana tanga.
For me that's music to me easy.
A permanent job.
Grills.
Boston Grills. Yeah. Dentist appointment. Kalama Grills. No, I'm pensando amazing. Kalama Grills. So, but it can be a scam, Jam. When there are contracts involved, it's not a scam. It's just a matter of some benefits or corner. And the amachita
the only thing with part-time is cards. You have more time to yourself to do other things.
Yeah.
Permanent. It's limited, short-lived.
No, but then ne part-time itlugile da. Ungangena part-time but 9 to 5.
Yeah, but Nisho it doesn't last for. It's correct.
What you know, Vus, Baba go doha. Yeah, doha.
Vus go Baba go say
doha. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yeah, see, it's a part-time. Really, obeying money. Because we ask good days of pay. So send it really. Let any minds who say we ask.
So, but then don't you think good like if let's say a part-time job yakwazi ukugabangela phambili yo I'll have to have my 6 months.
It's rare to get someone who's doing a part-time job. You never hear anyone who's doing a part-time job. I mean, like
I think the only time you have for yourself is you thinking for another job.
Exactly, Joe. Thinking as Joe.
So I think it's the security, like that assurance. You would, you know what, your job is secure.
Because
we sleep here,
you know, my part-time please.
Oh, part-time, fine. I would say business.
Yeah, I would say business.
Even your girlfriend doesn't trust you.
Trejo Tebujo from Turfloop. but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung